I hope I don't get in trouble for talking about this, but finally a video talking about the TikTok bump glitch method. What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how I operate my day-to-day routine on managing my TikTok ad account dedicated to running a glitch method campaign strategy. As you can see on this TikTok ad account, I spent $11,000 on doing a black hat TikTok ad glitch that allows me to get 15 cents cost per clicks and CPMs as low as $1. Check this out. This is crazy because this is all US traffic and I'm running conversion campaigns. So getting 15-cent cost per clicks and $1 CPMs is absolutely insane. This is not normal. And the only reason why I'm getting results like this is because I am doing a unethical black hat method, and I'm basically tricking the TikTok algorithm into giving me these results right here. Honestly, this glitch method has been a game changer for me because when I first started drop shipping, I was really struggling with TikTok ads because I was spending too much money and wasn't getting the best results. But when I started doing this glitch method, I immediately started making a lot of money. I was making like 1,000, 2,000, even $3,000 a day. And in that first month doing the glitch method, I actually made up to $35,000 on my first month doing it. I'm gonna hit this refresh so you could see that this is not Photoshop or Inspect Element. As you can see, I made $35,492 doing the glitch method. So TikTok actually tried patching this method about a month ago, and I actually found a solution to get around that, and I am still running the glitch method. I don't know if other people are still doing it. There's not much information about it, and unfortunately this video is not going to be a tutorial on how to set this up. I'm just going to show you guys how it works. I'm going to turn it on for a few minutes, and then I'm going to hop onto my Shopify live so you could see all the traffic coming in, all the sales coming in, and I just want you to see how this works for entertainment purposes because I know a lot of people are interested in this topic and there's not really any videos about this. So I hope you enjoy watching this. But here's the good news. I do plan on making this strategy public sometime in the future when my Discord channel reaches 500 members. The link is in the description. It is free to join. Once I hit 500 members in my Discord channel, I do plan on releasing a course on how to set up this TikTok glitch method. Now I'm going to give you a quick tour of my TikTok ad account. I'm not going to get really too deep into it because I don't want to reveal too much information. But as you can see, I first started it off with a glitch campaign test campaign over here. This was my first campaign, and I saw that it was working, so then I decided to make two more. So in total I had 3 glitch campaigns and I was running all of them together at the same time, and it was making me 3 times the money. And then I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna make a bunch of more campaigns. So as you can see, I have a total of 8 glitch campaigns, and I kept running it all day every day, and I was literally making thousands of dollars a day. And I actually did this with another Shopify store on my other ad account. So I actually had 2 Shopify stores, 2 TikTok ad accounts just dedicated to running the glitch campaign. It is nuts and it's still working to this day. So what I'm about to do is turn it on right now for a few minutes, and then I'm going to hop onto my Shopify live so we could see all the traffic come in and all the sales come in, and it will be fun to watch. So this is exactly how I turn them on. All I do is hop onto my ad account and I go on my campaign budget, and all I do is increase the budget by $10 just like this. So I'm gonna add $10 here. Now what I did there is called bumping. I bumped my campaign budget by $10. Now I'm gonna bump 2 more. So here's the second one. I'm gonna bump that by $10, so the campaign budget is $10 more. And what this is gonna do is turn on my campaign and spend $10, and then I'm gonna do that for another campaign. So just for now, I'm only going to turn on 3 glitch campaigns and let that run. So now that I turned on those 3 campaigns, I'm going to wait for it to start kicking in. And once it starts kicking in, I'm going to get a lot of traffic and I expect some sales. So we'll see what that looks like live. Usually it takes about 10 to 20 minutes for the traffic to start kicking in. I'm only spending $30 because I only bumped 3 campaigns by $10. And I do expect at least 2 or 3 sales. Usually I would bump all these campaigns at the same time, and I would do that about 5 to 9 times a day. So I do spend a lot of money per day on ads, but I also make a lot of money in return. So it's pretty fun doing this. And sometimes I hire my brother to help me do this because I don't have the time to sit here and bump these campaigns by $10 every hour. So he helps me out to do this sometimes. Now I know this may seem normal on the surface, but there's actually a reason why this is called a glitch method. There's something going on behind the scenes, something with the bidding strategy and the ad groups. I'm not going to get into that now, but as I promised before, if I get 500 members on my Discord channel for free, its link is in the description, I will release a course on how to set this up. Anyways, I'll be back when the traffic starts flooding in. So 10 minutes went by and the glitch campaign started to work. As you can see, traffic is starting to flood in. I'm just gonna sit back here and maybe do a time lapse so you guys could watch this live. I'm expecting around like 30, 40, maybe 50 visitors and 2 sales, so let's see what happens. As you can see, the visitors are slowly starting to flood in, and then it's gonna start hitting fast. We just got someone checking out right now. Let's see if we could get our first sale. This is exciting to watch. Sometimes I just do this all day. I just love watching this. Another thing with glitch campaigns, sometimes they're not too crazy and sometimes they're just absurdly crazy. Right now, this bump campaign seems like it's a little slow. Normally, I get more traffic. Alright, we just got the first sale, and I only think one of the bump campaigns turned on, the other two still didn't start yet. I'm gonna refresh this. And yeah, as you could see, only the first glitch campaign turned on. There's still 2 more, so let's see if we could get more sales. My cat came along to watch. Say hello, Evie. Alright, so the other 2 bump campaigns started about 15 minutes ago. I didn't quite catch it live, but as you could see, we didn't get more sales, but we did get 3 active cards and 1 person who checked out but didn't complete their payment. So those were the final results of the 3 bump campaigns. We just got 1 sale. But no worries, I have many videos of the bump campaign working really good, so I'll put that on the screen right now for you to watch. My phone go chirp, turn Bentley verse, try to put me in dirt, but I broke the curse. Cash said 84 verse. So as you can see, the bump glitch usually goes crazy. I spent $11,000 on this ad account and my average cost per click is 15 cents and my CPM is $1 for US traffic conversion campaigns. That means for every $10 bump on average, I usually get around 66 clicks. It's absolutely insane. It's literally my daily routine to wake up and bump all these campaigns by $10 every hour, every day. And I make a lot of money doing it. That is the reason why I made $35,000 in my first month doing this. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Nobody is making videos talking about the bump glitch. And as I promised earlier, if I get 500 members in my free Discord server, I will release a course on how to set up the bump glitch so that you could do it yourself. The link is in the description, so join up the free Discord server. Yesterday I posted a free guide on how to drastically lower your CPM, so check that out. I'll see you next time.